7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're talking about Kadena. Kadena is currently ranked number 92 on CoinMarketCap. At the point of recording this video, one Kadena is going for $2.53. In the last 1 year, it has gone as low as $0.29 and as high as $28. Has a market cap of $464 million. Guys, in this video, we're talking about 5 reasons why Kadena can go back to $30. We're looking at the Kadena versus US dollar price chart, Kadena versus Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll look at the Kadena market cap chart and also the Kadena dominance chart. So we're talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. At the point of recording of this video, Kadena is currently ranked number 92 on CoinMarketCap. It has a market capitalization of $464 million. And guys, very importantly, it has a maximum supply of coins of 1 billion coins. But we only have 184 millions of those coins in circulation, which is a very, very important factor to consider because Kadena's fully diluted market cap is $2.5 billion. Even though the market cap is $464 million. Guys, before we look at the Kadena price chart, what's Kadena? Some people watching this video doesn't know what Kadena is. Kadena is a proof of work blockchain that combines the POW consensus mechanism from Bitcoin with direct acyclic graphic principle to offer a scalable version of Bitcoin. Kadena claims it can provide the security of Bitcoin while being able to offer unparalleled throughput that makes the blockchain usable to enterprise and entrepreneurs alike. So guys, if you are wondering where can you get some Kadena, you can get it on KuCoin, on Binance, on Gate.io, on Bittrex, on OKX, anywhere you get your favorite altcoins, you can get them right here. It's very, very important to be able to get these altcoins anywhere you get your favorite altcoins so that you can easily buy and sell them. And guys, to the 5 reasons why I believe it's going back to $30, and first reasons first, Kadena has a bright future ahead of it. We consider it got to as high as $28 at the top of the bull run right here. This was at November 6, 2021, just when Bitcoin tops. But from the bottom of the market, guys, from January 2021 to the top of the market in November 2021, Kadena returned a 21,000% return on your investments in just 306 days. So how long can it go back to set a new all-time high? If the all-time high is at $28, how long can it go back to set the new all-time highs? Right now, Kadena from its all-time high, it dropped over 95%, it's down 90% at the point of recording of this video. This is the time you want to be getting these altcoins. But guys, the worrying thing is that many of these altcoins can still drop 90% after dropping another 90%. If Kadena is going to drop 90% from where we are right now, from 2.5, if it drops another 90%, guys, we'll be seeing worst case scenarios for Kadena is going to be going to as low as 0.25, 0.26. And that's where we are at the beginning of the year, in the last 1 year. So that's not far-fetched. Kadena has gone as low as that. You can see that from 0.29 to around this $28, $29. That was almost 100x return for those people that invested in it. So the gains in Kadena in the last 1 year have been crazy. Now, will it continue to return these outrageous gains? Only time will tell. But guys, remember I told you guys about the circulating supply of the coins. Yes, it has a fully diluted market cap of 2.5 billion, but with this 18% just in circulation, we have known that in the next 1 year, in the next 2 years, a lot of Kadena are going to be coming into circulation. And guess what? When they're coming to circulation, each of them will be priced at the exact price that each Kadena is going when it's coming to circulation. So a lot of coins will be coming to circulation at the same time. We may not be seeing increase in price of Kadena for the nearest future. So it might get to $30, but not just anytime soon. This thing takes time. You can see that for it to return over that 20,000% return on investment, for all those that invested in it, it took over 306 days. That's almost a year, and this was during the bull run. And right now, many people can argue that we're in the bear market. If we're in the bear market for just 194 days, we still have some days to go. Now, should you be getting some Kadena now? And if you're accumulating some, you want to be very, very careful because, guys, as I told you, this coin can actually still dump lower. But can it get to $30? Yes, it can get to $30. The dollar price chart is telling us this is not the all-time high for Kadena. If you look at the market cap chart for Kadena, that's another important chart that tells us how high these cryptocurrencies can go in the future. You see that from being valued at less than $1 million, Kadena went to being valued as high as $4.5 billion Right now, it's down over 90% from that top. Can it go back to set a new all-time high? It can actually go back to set a new all-time high. If you can get to $4.5 billion, guys, there's nothing stopping it from getting to $9 billion in it. We have seen a lot of cryptos go way higher in valuations that don't even have the use case that Kadena have. And Kadena actually has a very, very good use case. These valuations, many of them can be outrageous sometimes. The bear market is what tells us what the real value of a company is. But you can see that even if Kadena falls down 94% in the bear market, it will still be worth over $45 million, which is very, very good to see. The bear market actually tells us the true value of a project. But right now, can it get to $30? Only time will tell. The price chart is telling us it can get there, but it's going to take a little long while to get there. I'm sure that that's not the news a lot of people want to be hearing right now. And the market cap chart too, it has risen up in value very, very dramatically. It has gone up over 20,000% in just 1 year. It has to take a time to consolidate. Yes, we might have higher prices for Kadena in the future, but right now we have to go through a consolidation period. So we might get $30, but guys, you might not do that anytime soon. We'll have to wait. Bitcoin probably going to a new all-time high at that point in time for it to be getting to a new all-time high. In the last 1 year, guys, Kadena is up 308%, even though the altcoin market is having a brutal year. Kadena is still one of those coins that is up in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, it's still down 54%, just like the total crypto market. In the last 1 week, it's down 13%. And from the charts, we can see that anytime the market is pumping, Kadena is to actually have a favorable movement. You can see from 13 January 2021 to the first top of the market we had in April 2021, Kadena gave us a 1,200% pump. So it has showed us that it can actually pump very, very hard when the market is pumping. But guess what happened in May, June, and July when the market was dumping? It actually dumped 83%. And guys, this was during the bull run. Kadena dropped 83%. After that, it had another wonderful pump that went up over 9,000% in just 105 days. So you can see when the market is going up, Kadena is one of those coins that will actually pump very, very hard. But at the same time, if the market is dumping, it dumps very hard. Guys, another worrying sign here for Kadena, another worrying obstacle you have to face on its way back to $30 is that on the Bitcoin pairing, it's actually losing valuation. On the Bitcoin pairing, it has dropped over 87%. Right now, at point of recording this video, is down 80% from the all-time high on the Bitcoin pairing. This is a very, very worrying sign if the market is actually in a downward trend right now, because if the market is in downward trend and Bitcoin is dumping, guys, it means Bitcoin will not dump as hard as other altcoins. When the market is dumping, Bitcoin doesn't dump as hard as those altcoins. Those altcoins are very, very risky when Bitcoin is on a downtrend. Kadena has gone up so high in valuation against Bitcoin just from August 2021 to the top of Kadena at November 2021. In 96 days, it went up over 5,500% against Bitcoin. Guys, that's actually crazy if you look at that. And so all the people that flip their Kadena for Bitcoin right here, and they're in huge profit. Even up till now, the people that are still flipping their Kadena for Bitcoin from the bottom of the market, they are still in over a 10x return. It's still in the nearest future, and Kadena will be losing value against Bitcoin till the dump is over, till the foreseeable future when Bitcoin finds the bottom and start pumping. So that $30 region might still be far in the future for Kadena. Guys, let's not forget, it's still very, very important. A lot of coins are coming into circulation. A lot of people that got into the seed round of Kadena, a lot of people that bought Kadena when they couldn't sell their coins, that means their coins were locked. When the coins start getting unlocked and they're still in profit, guess what? They are going to be flipping it so quick. Imagine if you bought your coins here and it was still locked and got unlocked right here and you're still on a 10x profit. What are you going to do? Most of the time, you cash it out to get profit, because when the bear market, cash is king. So $30 for Kadena is still fine in the future. It's going to be possible, but we have to take a long time. We have to go through the bear market. You can see the last time Kadena went through a mini bear market on the Bitcoin pairing was from August 20, 2020, and it took it to around August 2021, and it went down over 95% in that period of time. So these altcoins can really dump, and right now it's just down 80% on the Bitcoin pairing, and Bitcoin is actually dumping, which is a very, very bad sign. So for it to go to that $30, guys, it will have to find its bottom on its Bitcoin pairing, and the bottom of the Bitcoin pairing can see it go as low as 92% from its all-time high on the Bitcoin pairing. That's very, very possible for Kadena. And if you look at Kadena against Ethereum, it's almost the same story. And it was launched right here at the top right here, and it lost how many percent? It lost a lot of its value against Ethereum. It lost over 94% of its value against Ethereum. But that was not all for Kadena. What did it do when the market was pumping? It went up over 5,200%. So against Bitcoin, against Ethereum, and against the US dollar, when the market is pumping, Kadena actually pumps very hard. But guys, it's just a game. When the market is dumping, it dumps very hard. And if it has gone on its run on its Bitcoin pairing and on its Ethereum pairing, guys, for it to get to $30, it's gonna take a while. It got to $30 right here. Yes, it rewarded those who invested in it early on. It got to $30, but don't forget, guys, it got to $30 with just 18% of the coins in circulation. Now, if you have all the Kadenas in circulation, that's over 1 billion of them. For it to get to $30, guys, the market cap of Kadena will go to over $30 billion. That's if we have all the coins in circulation. Is it possible? Can it get to $30 billion? Only time will tell. The coin is very new, fairly new. Kadena is fairly new. You can see that it just has a coin history of less than 2 years. So it's still yet to go through a real proper bear market. Only time will tell how it will survive in the bear market. But for it to go back to set a new all-time high, it will have to go through a bear market right now. On the Ethereum pairing, it still has a lot to lose against Ethereum before we see the bottom of Kadena. It lost over 88%. Right now, it's down only 78% on the Ethereum pairing. It will have to find its bottom. Ethereum right now is dumping with Bitcoin. If Ethereum is dumping and Bitcoin is dumping, you expect the rest of the crypto market to be dumping. When Ethereum and Bitcoin finds their bottom, a lot of these altcoins will start finding their bottom. But guys, don't be quick to get more Kadena just yet. You want to see how low to drop in the bear market. A lot of these coins can actually drop very low in the bear market. You don't want to be holding them through the bear market where they will lose over 94-95% of their value. The Kadena dominance chart actually set a new all-time high in November 2021. So November 2021 was a good time for a lot of Kadena holders. The coin set a new all-time high on the Bitcoin pairing, on the Ethereum pairing, on the US dollar pairing, even on the market cap pairing. And look at it on the dominance chart. That was the highest dominance Kadena had in the market. It had 0.15% of the total crypto market. Right now, it still has 0.03% of the crypto market. If you want to see it set new all-time highs and go to that $30 region, you'd probably have to set a new all-time high on the dominance chart. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think Kadena can get to as high as $30 in the coming future? Guys, the all-time high for Kadena is $28. It gave over 100x from $0.29 to $28-29 in just a space of 1 year. How long do you think it will get? How long do you think it will take Kadena to get to $30? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2, 3.